I'm Carlo Matthey from Italy. I'm Italian distributor of Dermatude. And, Dermatude for me is a very good innovation for aesthetics. The result is very interesting because it's a natural result, and the customer need biological, natural, and also in beautician salon they need natural trends, and this is the more strong treatment natural. We sell very well. The beauty salon have a good margin. They refund the investment for buy the machine with only 10 treatment course. Yes, only 10. This is a very good system to use in beauty salons because the esthetician have a good margin. The customer of esthetician have a good result. Is all perfect thinking. It's very good, very nice. I like it.